Welcome guys, in this video we'll be talking about breadboards and how to exactly use a breadboard. So let us first talk what is a breadboard. Okay, a breadboard is a very basic device which comes very handy while preparing a temporary prototype of any electrical or electronic circuit design. Now if we look closely at the structure of a breadboard, then we can see that there are around 840 holes present on the surface of the breadboard. And now the pattern in which the holes are sorted are not the same for all, of course. Some are sorted horizontally and some are vertically. So to understand how these holes are sorted and to properly understand the function of a breadboard, we will open the double-sided tape which is provided at the back of this. So let us open this. Okay. So now after opening the double-sided tape present at the back, we can see that there are horizontal as well as vertical buses running across these holes present in the front. So let us now have a close look at this and see how it actually works. So sit on your back, people sit on their back. So sit back and watch this video till the end, and I'm sure that after watching this video, your doubts of using a breadboard will be clear. If you carefully observe a breadboard, then you can see that it is divided into three parts. The first, how this shit will come, yeah. The second and the third. Okay, so this breadboard is divided into three parts. So a breadboard is divided into three regions: the first, second and third. The first and third regions are sorted horizontally in sets of 5s. So if you connect something at this first point, it will be available till the fifth point, last hole of the fifth set. Similarly, if you connect here something, it will be available till the last point. Same is for the third region. And if you look at the middle region, they are sorted vertically, and if you connect something here, it will be available till the fifth point of the same column. Then here is a break, and again if you connect something here, it will be available in this whole column, but it will not be available in the upper because here is a break. Okay, for a bit extra information, these groups are provided so that you can connect multiple breadboards like this for some complicated prototypes. The first and the third region are basically used for supplying power to the components which are put in this second region. For example, it is an op-amp here and it needs a power supply of plus 12 and minus 12 across its pin number 7 and 4 for its working. So we can assign this set as plus 12 and connect it directly to the 7 pin here, and we can assign this as minus 12 and can connect it to the 4th pin here, and the 3rd pin are generally connected to the ground if we are using it as, I think, non-inverting mode. Then the 3rd pin are connected to the ground. We can assign this bus, lower bus, as the ground, and we can connect it directly here. So this is the use of the upper and the lower region, and this middle region are used for connecting our electronic components, like these are voltage regulating IC and other ICs and anything we can connect here. So now very quickly I made this bridge rectifier. It is a full bridge rectifier. It is converting 9 volt AC to 5 volt DC and running a LED using that. So let us have a close look here. So these two are the point from where I am inputting 9 volt AC. So these are the AC, this and this are AC. So now to know how a full bridge rectifier works, watch my previous video. I made it around 1 year back. You can watch it and you can easily understand the working of this bridge rectifier. So now this AC is fed here, and now the bridge rectifier is converting, and the DC output is obtained from this and this point. So where the two anodes are meeting, this is the positive. So I connected a wire from this positive DC supply to here to the first bus of the first region. So this is plus, and the point where two cathodes are meeting, this is the negative. So this is minus DC, the negative of the DC. So I connected this to the second bus of the third region. So this whole from 1 to 5 is the negative, and the first bus is positive of the DC output. Now this is a constant voltage regulator, and the positive DC which is coming out from the rectifier is fed into the first pin from the here. It is fed into the first pin, and the negative of the DC is fed to the middle pin of this voltage regulator, and this is the output pin. So another wire is connected from the output pin, and it is connected to the sixth block of the first regions. Second, I connected it in the second line, second bus. So from here, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth are my power source of exact plus 5 volt. So let me write it here, plus 5 volt, and negative, that is 0 or ground, whatever you call it, it is same wherever it is. So I connected a small piece of wire and jumped it. So the total 10 of them, 10 of the last bus of the third region are negative. So from the negative I connected another wire and connected it directly to the LEDs negative, and from using and I used a 1K resistor here to connect to the LEDs positive. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video cleared all your doubt regarding the uses of a breadboard, I mean how to use a breadboard, and if it does, please hit that thumbs up button there. And if you have any questions or queries or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down. I'll try my level best to go through each of them. And if for any reason you didn't like this video, thumbs down is always there. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and stay tuned for more.